Good morning, everybody. On the bench today, we have another Liverpool watch. However, the case is London 1835. There's the dial. I came with the watch. It's in good shape. There is the motion works. So that's missing the minute wheel. This is how I like to keep my watches when I disassemble them in these compartmentalized boxes. So what I'm doing here is the watch is actually missing its barrel bridge. So I took the plates and I put some paper on top, put it all into place, pushed the pins and parts through the paper, and then I'm able to find the holes and just punch them through the paper. So when I disassemble everything, I end up with a template for me to be able to make a new barrel bridge. So this is kind of how I am doing this watch. I'm sure there's plenty of other ways of doing it, but this is how I'm doing this watch. So again, it's kind of like the other Liverpool watch I did a video on recently. Lovely balanced cock, a lot of parts missing. So the barrel bridge was missing on this. Here are my notes. The balance shaft was broken, so I decided to use a different balance. The lever was missing. It needs a new chain. So the chain is broken. I'll have to do a repair on that. It's in two pieces. I have found in my collection a replacement fusee cone for this watch with the same amount of teeth, because this fusee here, its teeth have been all bent out of shape because somebody forced the watch with the key and destroyed the teeth. That's the new fusee that will be going into it. Here's the new lever that I just made up. I just got finished with the staff for it. I just got finished making the lever itself to fit the watch. I just got finished drilling the safety pin hole, which is right about there. So I'll put the safety pin in it a little bit later. This is the balance I'm going to be using. It's a newer balance than the balance that came with the watch, and I set the lever up to run with this balance and impulse jewel. And there's some of the wheels that are in good shape with good pivots. And there's the barrel that's going into the watch that I'm building the new barrel bridge for. So I'll punch these holes, drill them out, but not drill them completely, cut out the template, fit it to the watch, and then once I have got this mounted to the watch, then what I will do is I will line bore for the barrel arbor. That will keep the barrel true and vertical in the watch. The other way to do it would be to take a depthing tool, such as this one, and then take some measurements from different points on the plate, and then scribe some arcs to get the location of the barrel. But what I will do is I'll mount this in a chuck. I will center the barrel arbor on this plate, and then when I want to drill for the top arbor hole, I will mount all the plates together, screw them tight while it's on the lathe, and then I will be able to find my center on the new plate and just drill it and then ream it out to fit. So that's what's going on today on the watch bench, and I hope that was an interesting little video for you guys. I'll see you soon. Bye.